going to talk about social media marketing. Which social media platform should you use for your business and how to get clients organically and close them? So, to answer the question, which social media marketing platform should you use for your business? Yeah, ideal answer that I will give you is you should use social media marketing platform in which clients actually hang out on. So if you go into any social media platform, let's say you think your ideal clients are hanging out on Facebook, go into various Facebook groups. For example, let's say you're a health coach. You go into Facebook groups regarding health coaches and actually join groups. And once you see that your ideal clients are actually asking questions and they're following other industry influencers who are also health coaches, you'll be able to identify if they are the right fit for your client base or not. So this is how you identify who your ideal client is. So you should know where your ideal client actually hangs out. Just take a look at YouTube. If you are finding a lot of videos related to your niche on YouTube, just type in the keyword search phrase on YouTube search and you will find a lot of videos on YouTube. If you are able to find a lot of videos on YouTube, you'll be able to identify that that's a niche, my segment, and there are people who are actually consuming videos or watching content or getting educated on or getting indoctrinated on, so that you'll also be able to create content on those particular platforms and actually attract your ideal audience to you towards it. So there's YouTube, there's Instagram, there's Facebook, and there's podcast. So right, in today's day and age, video is the most popular thing that people consume content on. And second place goes to audio content. People prefer listening to audio content such as podcasts. And the third place goes to written text or images, where people prefer Twitter or they prefer LinkedIn or they prefer blogging. So you need to find out where your ideal client is hanging out. So go to all these social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever you think that your ideal client may be, but go there and explore those places and see what other creators or what other top influencers or industry leaders are there in your niche. Just find them and see what content they are creating. How to figure out your ideal audience? Go to all the platforms, go see if there are type in search phrases and see if there are content coming up, and that's how you figure out, okay, someone is creating content in that particular niche, and you tap into the profile and see if they are from industry influencer or are they following some big industry influencer. If you're able to follow them and figure that out, you will figure out at least 10 influencers who are actually being the industry leaders in your particular niche. This is how you figure out which social media platform you need to pick and choose. So, but right now, people always prefer video content. So always make sure to have a home base on YouTube, because people prefer video content. You can create videos educating about set topics within your niche, or creating video content that explains, gives a tutorial about something, or it explains how you do something. It gives your perspectives, your mindsets, your approach, your processes, and any kind of question that you see people have or they struggle with. You can create video content on that. Your ideal audience will automatically find you. So your ideal audience automatically getting drawn to your channel or your video is called attraction marketing. So this is how you attract your ideal customers towards your business. So this is how you start creating content, video content, especially on YouTube and Instagram, and share them on Facebook groups or whatever. Even if you can share them on Twitter or something, you start attracting your ideal audience. And once you start seeing traction happening, how you start doing business with them. This is how you attract your ideal audience to you, and you'll be able to figure out which platform is working. If you take a look at data or the analytics, you'll be able to understand where do people actually go towards, where you have the more amount of engagement, more amount of audience getting drawn to your content, and where your ideal audience is more preferably accumulated on. So pick two platforms, let's say YouTube and Instagram. Start creating video content on those platforms, because right now Reels is popular. So make sure to create a lot of video content and start communicating the pain points, desires, needs that your ideal audience has on those platforms, and you will be able to attract them to your feed or to your profile. So initially when you try to create video content, not many people will see your content. The way to get more people to see your content is to go and comment or go and engage with influencers who are already experts in your particular niche, on that particular platform. Find them, find at least 10 influencers or experts in your niche that you can find for a sizable audience or a big audience, and then try to engage with your with the people who are commenting or asking questions on. Try to engage with them, and that's how you draw them from following them towards your business. This is how you attract your ideal audience. So now that you know which platform to focus on, which is YouTube and Instagram, how do I actually find out my ideal customers? Because as you might have seen or you might have heard that only 10% of the people actually take action and 90% doesn't take action. They just love the business. So 10% are actual ideal customers who are ready to buy or ready to interact. So what you can do right now is you can start interacting with them one-on-one. Let's say you get on a call with them. Let's say you DM them, start a conversation, get to know them, trying to ask what are they doing in life, what are they struggling with, what is the number one goal that they have, what is the number one frustration that they're experiencing right now. And then finally you get to ask them, okay, what is the number one pain point you would like to solve or like to get resolved as soon as possible, and how much would you be willing to pay for to solve that problem. So if they say that they have a pain point regarding, okay, I want to grow my Instagram account. Let's say you're trying to connect with other social media influencers. So they are struggling to, your ideal customers struggling to grow their social media account because they want to grow their business. So if you can ask all these questions and they are willing to pay you certain amount that they choose to pay you, you will get an idea of how much your ideal customer is willing to pay you. So likewise, you will figure out what exactly their pain points are, and you can offer tips to earn their trust. Give them a few tips, get them over to your site, and get them on a call, or even send them a payment link where they can actually pay you, and in which you can actually solve the problem immediately. So start working out with one customer, two customers, and slowly you have 5 to 10 customers coming organically to you. So initially the method of actually approaching and closing clients organically would be through interacting with bigger accounts or industry influencers in that niche. Start conversations with people who are ideal customers of those bigger influencers or experts in the niche. Start having conversations with them. And once you start having conversations with them, you'll be able to figure out what's the pain points and struggle. Then you ask them, are they struggling with the problem and are they willing to solve it, and will they be willing to pay for it? So if you speak to 30 people, may probably about 5 to 8 or 5 to 10 would say yes. So that's how you convert organic customers right away when you start a brand new business. This is how you close your clients organically. I hope you found value in this video. So check out the link in the description below where I have resources that can help you build your business. It has got to do with social media marketing, it's got to do with digital marketing, it's got to do with market research, it has got to do with closing people. It has got to do with how to do marketing, how to do sales, so how to get content. It has got a bunch of stuff. So go check out the link in the description and you will be able to learn a lot more about how to grow your business organically. So if you think that you cannot grow your business using video content, you're shy about creating video content, make sure to try at least podcasts where you speak into the microphone and you record thoughts and episodes, and you start building your ideal audience. So this is how you attract your ideal audience towards you. So if you have any in the comments below your number one pain point that you're actually struggling or experiencing right now that you would like to solve, and I'll be able to help you get it. So if you are looking to work with me personally one-on-one, let me know in the comments below and I'll be able to help you. Or you click one of the links in my description below and I have consultation call. You can book a consultation call with me, and so that they can start earning money using the internet and using social media. So if you are one of the 5 people, I'll be offering you 3 additional sessions which will help you cover content, niche market research. I'll explain about social media, how to go about setting up social media, how to create content, how to build your audience, and actually how to start monetizing your audience quickly as possible, so that you start generating revenue as soon as possible. So if you're one of those people, 5 people who wants to work with me, just check the link in the description below or comment below and I'll get in touch with you. So like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it will help you create more content and help you grow your business so that you can live the life of your dreams and build your freedom lifestyle. So I'll see you in the next video.